Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through on how to install and set up your Flowlu Action Automation for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. You're going to click on Install and search for the account in which you want your app to be installed. Select your account and click on Continue. Click on Allow and Install. Then the custom menu link is going to pop up. You're going to click and copy your custom menu link, head over back to your account, click on Settings. Under Settings, you're going to scroll down and click on Custom Menu Links. You're going to click on Create New. You're going to select an icon. You're going to give your custom menu link a name title. And you're going to paste your custom menu link here. Scroll down and choose the account in which you want the tools to be available. Then you scroll down and choose who can see this link. You're going to be choosing all, and then once you're done, click on Save. The next step right now is to switch to our account in order to connect the tool to our Flowlu account. Once we are here, we're going to click on the custom menu link. We search for our app and then we click on it. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where we are going to have access to our documentations, and under the tutorials we're going to have access to the smart queue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials. We have the setup. At the level of the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up your app. First thing, you're going to copy your redirect URL, head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on your profile picture, click on portal settings, click on Auth, click on Add, give a name to your application. You're going to enter your home page URL. You're going to give a brief description or a detailed description. And here you're going to paste your redirect URL. Once you're done, click on Save. Then the name of the app is going to pop up. You're going to click on it. Copy your client ID. Head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup. Paste your client ID. Head over back to your account again. Copy your client secret. Head over back to your account and paste your client secret. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. As you can see, our app has successfully been connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, we are going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates of the app. And in order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on Subscribe. You're all set to go. If you have any question or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.